so that your brains burn slow. Prominent delivery like James Earl Jones. It's bad enough that lyricists today sound whack. It's even worse when imbeciles provide soundtrack. I excavate the avenues of sound of past time. Terrorize the music with a gun that blasts rhyme. A lot of veterans are making music past prime. The body will decay but spirits never flatline. My mission since inception was to aid evolution. Tackled every obstacle with brave resolution. Lots of people deviate from prosperous behavior. I simply did my homework and brought the teacher flavor. Simplified the wordplay and structure. Steady action. Broke the braggadocious brother down to petty fractions. You're not Freddie Jackson, but that's alright. You can still come to me and say, rock me tonight. There's no joke, and only time to get fanatic.
We got these people with no skill, they're making a lot of money.
More than just an ordinary style code flipping.
Originality, that is the name of the game. It's been that way since day one.
Those who attempt to diss or try to take this
you probably smoking rocks, shooting smack, I don't know.
So listen up and pay attention to the check it out, party people. I give the people 2 verse joints and say eat. 17 groups to rock the same beat. Move and beach the president, chop some Roy Ayers. Avoid regurgitation because the boy cares. Cold getting dumb in the name of serve vicious. Paraphrase, marinate crates and serve dishes. Fork, knife and bib in a fortnight. The script that unigate illuminates my entrance like a porch light. Foresight allows me to ignore fights and scorch mics. Willpower, kill sour grapes with the skill shower. Paradigm, clarify and verify you're terrified. Passionately slash an MC placed up in a clash against basket cases. Passed the basic test and then got laid to rest. Derelict, prepare a skit that's softer than a pair of tits. Various, hilarious, embarrassing comparisons. Mandatory splatter stories, I'm in no category. You know what? Yo, that's all I gotta say, alright? Giving a fat shout out to everybody that could not live without this music that we're doing, alright? Yo, stop the beat, man. Yo, I'ma go make some more jams.